Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm a Scrum Master, Agile Coach, Professional Coach, Facilitator, whatever we call it. Today I'll share this exercise called We Predict. I can't even remember where I picked it up, but anyway. If you like these videos, please consider to subscribe and share. That would be awesome. So, back to this. Imagine that we're having a workshop where we're going to work on a specific problem, or we're going to teach a specific new concept or technique for a course. Then we can use this We Predict to align expectations and get the participants more engaged in what is it that we're going to do. So, introduce the next topic. We're going to look at road mapping, or how can we improve our process, or how do we set up a value stream, or what else, right? Then I use 1, 2 for all to have them create predictions about this topic or this content that we're going to look into. So first, individually and in silence, make predictions about this topic. You can, you're not limited to, but you can be inspired to where do you predict we can use this in our everyday life, on your everyday life? What is the content you think is included in this? Where do we get the knowledge from? Any statistics or data to back up why this is a good approach, or why this prediction is actually a prediction that we think will turn out to be true. When we have done that individually and in silence for 1 minute, maybe give a bit more time, then we go to pairs where we can start to reflect and hear another person's reflections and predictions about this topic, then in groups of 4, and then at the end in plenum, where I as a facilitator will then write down the predictions that we hear from the different groups. So we have all these predictions on the wall, and then at the end of this session or this module or workshop, we can revisit our predictions and see which of these predictions turned out to be true, and which of these turned out to probably just be myths or something in between, right? And that's how I like to use this We Predict exercise. And I'm hoping that some of you have a similar exercise that you are willing to share. That would be awesome. And as always, if you have comments, questions, or ideas to these videos, please just leave them in a comment or send me a message. That would be so awesome. That's it. Have a super awesome day.